असा CAA आणि अगेन्स्ट NRC. CAA is first of all it is a violation of our constitution. Article of our constitution is been violated. Article of our constitution, we have fundamental rights in our constitution which grants us right to equality and equality before law. Any law which has been passed by the government, there shouldn't be any discrimination with regards to caste, race or religion. But why, while enacting this law, the bill which has been passed and which has become an act now, why there is a discrimination? I uphold the constitution and I want to know why a discrimination is been made and why the constitution is violated, article is violated. This will only divide India and the secular fabric of India. I, Sami Jay, amso India is different from all the countries. Why? Because it is a secular country. Secularism is the identity of India and Indians.
Yes.
Are you a Christian? Are you a Muslim? No, we are citizens. We are citizens of India. We are Indians. So when this we are known as Indians, why discrimination has been done?
Today we are gathered here not as Muslims. We are cutting across religions. I stand as a Christian here, but I'm here in solidarity because the government is using. Today it is the Muslims, tomorrow it is going to be Dalits, Adivasis and the OBCs that are going to be targeted. So anybody who stands against the government is going to be under attack by the government.
ज्यांना बायलांचेर जेन्ना हे जातले सगळी बायलां भायर सरतली अन्याय जाता बायलांचेर अन्याय जाता औरतें बचाओ लड़की पढ़ाओ म्हणटा आणि आज आज